Hey guys, it's Harvey Braden with Harvey Roofing and Construction. We're kicking off a new project of a complete home renovation, interior, exterior. It's going to be basically everything gutted. It's really good bones. It was built about, I think, almost 30 years ago, but it's pier and beam. It's got a really good footing, real good crawl space, and overall it's in good frame condition, but we're going to have a lot of modifications with some added big front and back covered porches and things. So it's going to change a lot, but it's going to be like a brand new home when we're finished with it. So I just wanted to do a quick walk around. We've started demolition. I think the second day we've been working out here. So just walk you through it real quick. We've got some dirt brought in to start preparing for concrete, because we're going to elevate the patios, porch and patio, to make it feel like a traditional home when you walk up to the front door. At this point with the pier and beam, it's got quite a drop off the stoop, so we're going to be having a concrete porch and patio that is going to feel traditional, just with a standard drop below that door threshold. So we'll be doing that, but everything on the outside's coming off. The entire home's 1,200 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and we already took down the what was the front porch awning, and it just had dirt with a metal awning on it. And then at the back, there was formerly a 12 by 50 patio. Concrete was poured very poorly, had some drainage issues and things. So we tore that out, and we've got it ready so that we can come in with the new 12 by 50 covered porch, and that will change the roof line as well. So at the front and the rear, we're going to integrate these patio covers and porch cover with the existing roof, and it will go up quite a bit further than just the eave there. So we've got that coming. All this exterior is getting ripped off. It's going to be all new zip system sheathing, all sealed for a nice air barrier, and having a nice clean exterior to start with. And then we're going back with LP Smart Side siding. So it's going to have lap siding, all the trim bells and whistles on the outside. The new porch and patio roofs are going to be finished exactly like you imagine with a just a typical custom built home. It's going to have all the LP trim. So it's going to be beautiful back here. Got a nice view on this large lot. So it's sitting on a 600 square foot covered back patio with a glass of tea in no time. So here again, we've got the height difference. Got a really nice stem wall here that makes up that perimeter for the pier and beam. They did a great job when they built this. The footings and things that are underneath this house are very well poured piers, and just everything done correctly. So it was a nice start to have that good foundation. But the exterior will be all new windows, all new doors. There'll really be nothing that you see. Well, there won't be. You won't see anything on this home that was original when we're finished. It's going to be completely redone. Everything, exterior, interior, new roof, new everything. So we've torn out the interior, and we've got 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Got just pretty traditional setup. 2 bedrooms and a guest bath on one end. Living area, master bedroom. And one thing that we did here, they had built this kind of weird. They built a small separate shower that was actually, when you open the bathroom door, it was behind the bathroom door. So that's going to become a linen closet, and then it's going to have a typical bathtub shower set up in here. So everything is pretty well lined out. We're just getting started, and it's going to be a lot of beautiful touches. It's got a custom mahogany solid wood front door. We're getting rid of closet doors that had 2 doors, and we're going to open those up and do a double bypass. It'll have some nice large openings. All 3 of the closets will be like that. And then everything throughout is just going to be pretty well custom, all custom kitchen cabinets that we're having built. I think we're going to go with granite countertops on this one. And I've got some really nice windows picked out for it that are going to be high efficiency by NT Windows. They make a just nice, well above builder grade. It's not basic stuff. Very, very energy efficient, and lots of little cool bells and whistles. But that's really it. We'll got wiring, plumbing, electrical, plumbing, all new electrical, all new plumbing, pretty well new HVAC system. It's going to be a nice train unit. This did have ductwork in the subfloor, so we're going to convert that and go with everything in the actually the interior AC unit is going to be in a closet, so we can gain that efficiency. But we're going to the attic with the flex duct, so that the risk of critters down in crawl spaces can be reduced. It is a nice crawl space, and having that not as hot basement area would be or subfloor area would be a nice add. But you just run into a lot of trouble unless you're running solid duct work. If you're running flex duct, you're really running a risk of a critter ever finding its way. And mice, you're just not going to stop mice and rats from going where they want to go. So this attic mounted flex duct work will give a lot better scenario on the longevity of not having to be concerned with anything ever getting in there. But it'll be all new. We're working on about a 90-day time frame, and we hoping to pour concrete on Friday if the weather will hold out for us, and we'll be on to completing the complete renovation of the exterior. Once we've got our concrete in, we can start framing and get that work underway. So exciting project. It's always fun to get kicking off a new one, and we're going to do a good job. This is a client that we actually had done some remodeling renovation before. This is a property that they bought intended for a family member to live in. And so it's always feels good to hear back from a past client. We went through all the particulars on it and lined out a great project. It's going to be a beautiful home when we're finished with it. So just wanted to share that. And along the way out here on this project, I'll have some additional updates. Thanks for listening. Harvey Roofing and Construction. Take care. Bye.